polar bear can smell a seal from over a mile away. But the prey he depends on is hard to find in this constantly moving landscape. He must take to the water to navigate through the drifting maze of ice. Bears are excellent swimmers, but he's no match for a seal. As the ice melts, finding seals gets harder, and with more open water, it's easier for a seal to escape. The melt has caused a shift in power. Now it's advantage seal. The bear's chance has slipped away, and his hunger grows.